look more like a guy that looks like a girl.
Okay.
Maybe a girl pretending to be a guy. Maybe a girl.
It's recording.
Drunk already? Yes.
I'm being immodest anyway. Oh God, what are we on? Let's see. Have a. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Have
Hi.
Have a fiddler on the roof moment. To life, let I am to life. It takes wedding. Are you okay? Yo ho, a pirate life from me.
Your parents are going to look out the window and be like, what are they doing?
What else is new? You know, it's very hard to laugh in a corset.
I believe you, my dear. That's why I chose to be the gentleman in this movie.
Did I choose? I chose your outfit. I chose!
Well, I look more like the gentleman in this movie. I felt the hand and everything.
Look, it's got like a little thing. I had never actually noticed that piece before.
That would be nice.
Neither I just didn't notice.
What is it supposed to be, a whale?
I don't know. I thought it was a dragon.
Oh.
I don't know what that is. It looks like a dragon, but it doesn't look like anything.
Looks like a whale to me.
I'm a whale. No, I'm a walrus.
I am the walrus.
I am a walrus, and I am fat, and pleasantly plump, and obese. Shattering glass.
What is that from?
I wrote that.
Oh.
Okay, what else?
Something over there. Do you see it?
Yes.
Ugliest dogs in the world over there.
Disgusting.
The neighbors.
I wonder why the queen likes them so much.
I don't know. The entire family's whack.
Over there.
Another one. What's that? Right there. That box.
Some modern technology, possibly? Was it Einstein?
Doctor Who.
Yes. How's the escape plan coming?
Escape plan. Not very well.
Hang on.
Need some help there.
In the dead of night, we'll grab some provisions. We'll hijack one of those longboat things. And then we'll row back to Spain like there's no Montana. That's your plan, is it? Yep, that's pretty much it. Well, I like it.